Hello guys, review OPPO RENO 11F. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB internal memory. Open, box and look complementation. Adapter with quick charging we have in complementation, and Type-C USB to Type-C cable. Okay. Ocean blue color. Triple camera on the back side, on the front side 6.7 inch. Power button and warm buttons on the right side, left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone, device without headphones jack. Turn on device, we have display 6.7 inch Full HD Plus resolution OLED display. Open settings, about phone color OS version 14.0, 5000 mAh battery, MediaTek Dimensity 7050, this CPU. Look onto the benchmark results. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.